Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Manatee County in west central Florida, southeastern Hillsborough County in west central Florida, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Greater Sunday Center, over 10 miles southwest of Fish Hawk, moving west at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Boyette, Little Manatee River State Park, Ruskin, Progress Village, Gibsonton, Waimama, Greater Sunday Center, Sunday City Center, Riverview, and Fish Hawk. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Hillsborough and Manatee.
This is KHB32 Radio KHB32, serving de Tampa Bay area, on a frequency of 162.55 MHz.
The current time is 7:55.
There we go. And dude, Ruskin is directly under this SVR too. So is KHB32's transmitter.
So is me.
Oh, you're under this too?
Yeah.
Dang, IAM-bot gave like no advanced warning. As soon as I heard the EOM or the EAS header, it went off on IAM-bot. Oh wow, that's only for Hillsborough and Manatee. They could issue more. But finally, it took them long enough.